Welcome, guys. This is Boys Mavis, also known as Crypto RX, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a decentralized exchange, buy and sell, and also um, how to use it to like the official website of the particular decentralized exchange. So you can just go to Google and type the name and search. You wait for it to open. So in our own, it's pancakeswap.finance. Every decentralization have their own website, so try to confirm the name. Then once you're done, you click on the website if you've confirmed that that's truly their website. So you click on the website and also wait for it to load. So I'm having a little bad network. Yeah, you just wait for it to load. Yep. So it's open now and all that. So you have to be careful. Look at what they say. Please be sure you're visiting blah 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 blah. Check it. Phishing warning. So they don't phish your wallet. They don't steal your crypto. Next thing you have to do is click on connect. Then you choose a particular wallet. In this case, I'm going to use Trust Wallet, so I'll click on Trust Wallet. You should have a non-custodial wallet already on your phone or your computer, depends on what you're using. So in our case, I'll use Trust Wallet. And yeah, okay, so I particularly created a wallet, a special wallet for this. I created a special wallet for this, so we'll just wait for it to load. Yeah, multi-chain wallet one. Okay, so I created a wallet for this. So you want to go to trade at the bottom. You want to go to trade to buy and sell. You want to go to trade. Yeah, and click on trade. And wait for it to open. Okay, cool. It has opened. So buying and selling here is called swap. It's called swap. You understand? Buying and selling here is called swap. So to buy and sell, in this particular case, let's say we change the chain to BNB Smart Chain. Yes. So let's say we want to buy a particular cryptocurrency. We would copy the contract address, address, and let's say we are using maybe BNB. You want to swap from BNB to Cake, or let's say Shiba Inu. Let's say we want to buy Shiba Inu. We'll click on it like this and type the name or paste the contract address here. If you have the contract address, you paste here, or you just type the name. Yeah. So yes, I later changed it to Alice though, but then it's still the same thing. Any cryptocurrency you want to buy, you just put it in the second one, the one you want to use to exchange for it. That's the one you want to use to buy it. You put it in the first place. So yes, you see it shows you how many Alice you're going to get. You're going to get 71.9 Alice. So this portion at which you see insufficient funds, I told you I created a new wallet for this tutorial. So you're going to see swap there. You're going to see swap, and once you click on swap, it's going to ask you to confirm if you want to swap and all that, and you click on confirm and the swap would happen. So once the swap happens, you just go to your wallet and you're going to see Alice token. You're going to see Alice in your wallet, and you will see that they've taken, in this case, 109 USDT, and it's that simple. That is how it is used. That is how it is used. It's that simple. In some cases, you might have to increase the slippage. In some cases, you might have to increase the slippage. So if you try to swap and you see it doesn't work, then you can come and try to increase the slippage here to like 1% or so, and basically that's how to use it. Yeah guys, so this is how to get the contract address of a particular token that you would like to buy on any exchange, any decentralized exchange, I mean. So usually you just come to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko and search the name of the token. So in this case we have already searched Floki Shiba. Yeah, we search Floki Shiba. So once you search, the page will open, and once it opens you just scroll down and you will see where it's written contract. You see where contract is written. Look at it here. Yeah, so easily you can just copy the contract address, click on that small thing, you see it's copied, and you go where you want to use it and paste it, and that's just how to get the contract address of any token. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I drop a video you'll be first notified. I'll be dropping videos weekly on how to make money online and how best way to maximize your opportunity with cryptocurrency. Don't forget to subscribe guys.